Welcome to ABCD. Today, we'll be solving another math question. Sally has 6/5 as many pokoballs as Amy. Sally gave 3/10 of her pokeball to Amy. Amy then gave half of her pokeball to Sally. In the end, Sally had 252 more pokeballs than Amy. How many pokeballs does Sally have at first? Okay, so we can either draw a diagram or we can use ratio. Okay, we will do ratio because there is like move here, move there, so ratio will be easier to move around. Okay, let's start. So Sally is to Amy. Their ratio is 6:5, right? Okay, then so the first part says that Sally gives 3/10 of her pokeball to Amy. So to make this possible, we will times 10, okay? So that the numbers will be easier to manipulate. So we times 10 here, times 10 here. Then you'll be 60:50. Okay? Then Sally give away minus 3/10. Okay? So 60 times 3/10, it gives me 18. Okay, so this one minus 18 will give me 42. This one plus 18 will give me 68. Then Amy give away half. 68 times half will give me 34. So this one left 34. This one will be 76. Okay, then what did they tell me? They tell me that their difference is 252. Correct? The difference is 252. So therefore, the difference will be difference 76 minus 34, and this will give me 42. So 42 units will be equivalent to 252. Okay, 1 unit will then be equal to 6. Then they want me to count how much does Sally have at first. So using what? Because we are counting, see here, so the base that we are using now is 60. So we need to find 60 units. And this will give me 360. Okay, just a note, if you take a look over here, our base is 60 and 50 because we want to be able to manipulate. That's why when we count backwards, we need to come back to this figure. If let's say you decided to use 20 over here, it's fine because your U will most likely be equal to 3, but over here, the orange circle, right, will be 120. So this number to choose, you don't know, never mind. Just choose something that you're comfortable with. Because later on, you just remember that you come back to this orange circle, you don't go back to this triangle part. Okay? If you want to go back, then you need to do a lot more steps but you can just stop at the circle side. So it really depends. You need to know what you're doing in short. Okay? So for this question, the answer is 360. That's it for this episode. We hope that you have learned something new. The link to the worksheets are available in the description below. See ya!